And thankfully, of course, that strong line of storms now behind us. But if your property was damaged, well, the potential ordeal is likely just beginning.
Insurance, especially in our area, can get a little tricky, can get confusing. So 3 News reporter Ryan Hopper spoke with a local agent today and joins us now to break it all down. Hey, Ryan.
Hey, Mike and Leslie. First of all, even if you consider yourself a handyman, for the record, I do not. Do not try to fix any damage to your home that you want to put in that insurance claim, because experts say tampering with the scene, beyond things like tarping off your roof, can lead to major insurance complications.
And every time we've got new property managers, I've gone and told them that it needs to be cut down before it falls on my house.
After Sunday night's hurricane-force wind gusts, local homeowners are both picking up and cutting down to pieces. 14-year Flower Bluff resident Linda White crediting her fortune to a higher power after a lightning strike split a dying tree on her property in half.
Normally my car's parked out here where these trees are, and I had moved it to behind my building because I had surgery a couple of weeks ago. He protected my car, he protected my body. It's just a miracle, it's just a miracle.
But if you weren't as fortunate, experts say that you need to document the damage and make sure you have wind-driven rain coverage, the most common claim in our area.
The wind can actually lift the shingle, drive the water underneath the shingle into the ceiling and down and gets the insides of your homes wet. And it may not do any damage to your roof itself. Without this rider, there is not a storm created opening, so there would be no coverage.
Next, check your windstorm deductible.
The most important thing is you learn is what your windstorm deductible is and get bids to find out what it's going to cost to get your fence fixed, tree limbs repaired, etc.
Which Waterman says for most local homeowners is 2% of the structure's replacement cost. Finally, call your agent to make sure you file everything under the right policy. A common mistake Waterman says can cost you both valuable time and money.
You have to wait and get a denial letter, and then at that point you realize, hey, it was the wrong policy I filed under. So it's taking longer to get your claims solved.
And one last thing, Waterman says the busiest time for wind claims is actually from January through the end of the spring and not during our June to November traditional hurricane season. Mike, Leslie, back to you.